Sometimes when you don't even ask for it, you get exactly what you need to show folks. Check this out. This is what happens when you have negative grade or the point of entry is lower than the point of exit. Can you see this? The elbow is here. You don't need to use elbows, by the way. Just bend the stupid flexi pipe. I mean, come on. This is a joke. All right, stop. Anyway, it's buried. It goes down. They said, oh no, an electrical line that we had no idea was there, even though it was clearly here the whole time. So they've buried it down and then came back up to get over at a buried electrical line, probably, and then went down there and tied it in. The drain is completely open, as evidenced by this wide open running pop-up emitter. But none of that matters because the hump they put in that section right there, it's not a solid piece of pipe. They did a 2x3 fitting to a 10-inch piece of pipe, into an elbow, into a piece of pipe, which ties into another fitting, which ties into another piece of pipe, which then goes to the pop-up emitter. So what I'm saying when I say get the big rolls of drain pipe, don't bother with the elbows if you can help it. Just connect the fitting, bend the pipe, and put it into your trench. Then it's seamless. Then you don't have to deal with little roots growing through. You don't have to deal with taping extra seams. It's useless. Stop. So just as a preemptive strike, before I get the comment of, you don't need that drain tape, why don't you just use elbows in the flex pipe? There you go.
Found it. Okay, so this, once again, it's hard to call this lazy because to add an elbow to this actually takes more effort, but it leads to more problems. And this is what we've got on an unprotected, untaped seam. It's rooted like it's stuck in there. It's just a web of roots. This clogs the whole thing up. You need a connection, and then from that connection, a solid piece of pipe from point A to point Z all the way out. This is useless, and it leads to more problems. Can you see that? I just broke it out of there, but all grown in. Okay, pardon me. Yeah. There you go. See, here it is. It grew from this way in the landscaping. Found its way into that seam. Bob the Builder. All right, so we got the elbow up. We pulled out the Mississippi drain fish. That's what we like to call it. This is how you find these drains that you have no idea where they go.
There it is. Pump it. It's right here.
Oh, Bowie. It doesn't even go, more than, look at this. That's 5.5 feet, which is in the landscaping, completely filled up. Hey, look. No pop-up. Look, this is landscaping fabric.
It's underneath the landscaping fabric?
Underneath the landscaping fabric. You hear that? What are you gonna do with a builder?